Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert PDF to Word in mobile phone. Yes, as of now, everyone has their mobile phone to create a document, to conduct the online meeting and every purposes. Doesn't have any other laptop. So each and every people finding difficulty to create a PDF to Word conversion to edit the documents. In this session, I would like to share how to convert PDF to Word in mobile. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, in your mobile, just go to Play Store and install the application called Microsoft Office. Yes, Microsoft Office. I have installed the application in my phone so that it is showing like this. If you installed means automatically it will display like this. Just install the software called Microsoft Office. I have given the link in the description box. I have installed, just click open. Yes, so I have opened the documents, that is Microsoft Office files. So it has Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, everything will be there. Now I have the PDF file, so I would like to convert into Word and I would like to edit the file. So here there will be a home and action buttons on the downside. On the top side will be home button and the folder option is there in your right hand side corner. Just hit the button, folder button. It will direct you to the shared with me, OneDrive, personal, this device and add place, browse, everything will be there. In this file I have stored in my device, so the PDF file I can choose from here any of this option. I choose this drive and I can select downloads. I have downloaded the file so that I can able to get all the details. So have a lot of files is there, so I just want to select some other files. For example, August 2020, I can choose the PDF file. So the PDF file, as you see, August 2020 is a PDF file, so I can able to read and see all the documents and details. Now I would like to change all the things I want to edit, but I cannot able to edit because this file is PDF. So if your office work is giving the PDF file, you would like to edit the file, or you would like to edit and send to the assignment file for the class and any other assignment purpose, you would like to edit the PDF, just click the button, three dots in the right hand side corner. You will find rename, convert to Word, search, save, everything will be there. Add text into PDF and all the details will be there. First one, I would like to convert to Word. Just hit the button, conversion in progress. So automatically my PDF file will be converted into the document file. As you see, where you saving the save, automatically you can turn auto save off for the things. Got it? Yeah. So now I can able to see, so online classes are scheduled on Monday. I just hit the button and so I can mention, I can edit whatever I want. So I want to delete the file and I can add homework. So I can give whatever information. So in the PDF file I have changed as a Word format. I can able to give the documents like document file. So document 3 is there if you want to edit and if you want to give the colors. So I can choose the color, I can give the colors option, I can edit whatever I need, I can edit. So for example, I want to click home button and I can choose the font color. So the font color is changed over there. So I can able to highlight all the details, whatever information I can highlighting using the highlighting buttons and all bold and italic format, everything I can able to make sure that, so that I can able to work for the Word format. As I said, the PDF is changed as a Word format. Yes. Now I would like to save the file. Just click the three dots, automatically ask you read aloud, share, save, save as. So now I want to save the file. Just click the save button. So it will ask you to rename. Document 3 is there. I would like to change the rename of my class. So I can change like my class or my work, whatever things I can change. Yes, click save. Yes, the file is saved there, so that the my class file is stored over there. So once you exit this option, so you can go back and you can able to see August 2020 as a PDF is changed as a Word format to my class. Similarly, you can able to convert your Word file into PDF file format using PDF to Word conversion using this option. Yes, now I would like to convert the file I have showed you. Now I would like to add the text in my PDF format. You can have the file over here. Just to click the three dots, you can able to see text. To add a text to PDF, you can add the text box. This is PDF, so I can mention over there, so in between the PDF I can give the options, that is highlights I can give to the August 2020. So this is the PDF I can give. So over there I can able to edit the file using the PDF to Word conversion. I want to highlight the text, I want to add the text. You can use as a Microsoft Office documents, that is Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. This is all free version provided by the Microsoft Office. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.